Hey guys, good afternoon. I'm Megan and I am a mascara artist. Hold on one second. Oh crap. I'm trying to, there we go. Trying to double my live right now. I'm on my Instagram. There it is, cool. Okay, hey. So I'm Megan and I'm a mascara artist. And I'm here to teach you how to hack your face in about 5 minutes. So we are super busy people these days, and summertime is for being outside. So I try not to spend too much time inside doing my makeup. So I try to do it as quick as possible. And with mascara, you are able to do that. So I am actually just gonna move my camera. Perfect. Okay, there we go. So I'm right in the perfect view for Instagram and Facebook. Okay, so I want to show you guys real quick my compact that I use. This is the Hack Stack, and it fits everything I need for my face. So all of my colors are right here. My eyeshadows and my setting powders are right here. And I also have another mini Hack Stack that I put my lip and cheek colors in. So it's pretty cool. So I'm excited to show you guys how to do your face quick. All right, are you ready? Because I am. Okay, so I am going to do a little bit of color correcting underneath my eyes. I have some kind of like purplish dark circles under there that I just want to get rid of. So I'm going to use something called Sunlit, which is a very yellow based shade. And I'm just going to pat that onto my under eye with the skinnier side of my detail hack brush. And I will just kind of rub that in with my fingers. And that yellow will cancel out any purple or brown that you have underneath your eyes. So it's really great when you're really tired, or if you just are naturally prone to having dark circles under your eyes, then you're gonna wanna go for Sunlit. We have Mango, Sunlit, and Petal are our 3 favorite, and I love Frenchie personally. So I'm gonna go in with White Peach. I'm gonna make a triangle underneath my eye, and I'm gonna call this the Triangle of Light. So if you guys are watching live, if you could just give me a 1. If you're watching the replay, give me a 2. And let me know how your Sunday's going. So this is pretty light. I like to brighten up my under eyes. I feel like with a bright under eye, your face and your cheekbones and everything just stands out. I love it. I think it's beautiful. So I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna tap into my amber and my mango, and I will just apply that to my chin area, my jawline. Less is more with this mascara, in my opinion. I do some heavier coverage sometimes if I'm going out to dinner at night, or if I'm just feeling kind of ugly that day, or if I have like major acne for whatever reason, I will go on a little heavier. One size fits all with mascara. You are able to customize your coverage, so it's very buildable. And then what I'll do is just stipple this in. What I mean by stipple is I'm gonna push my product in. And I'm using the Detail Hack brush. This is my favorite brush. Favorite, must-have. It's a must-have to start with, and then if you take good care of your brushes, you will not have to replace it. I believe there's a warranty as well with our brushes, but check with your artist or DM me, and I can look into that if you want me to. And so I'm just gonna push now my under eyes. It doesn't matter where you start. The colors kind of all blend together nicely on your face anyways, so I don't mind if some of my amber and mango runs into my White Peach just a little bit, no big deal. So if you could see, I still have like a little triangle of light underneath my eyes. I feel like that's just a good way to brighten up your skin. And then I will push into my forehead. Make sure that's all blended out. Let me look in my mirror too to make sure we're golden. Perfect. Yeah, looking good. And then instantly you guys can see how clear my skin looks. So I really love the finish of mascara. It is just totally like airbrushed. I love it. Makes you feel so pretty when you're done. Okay, so let me just kind of look up close. I'm gonna get in there into those eyes, to those crevices of my under eyes. Okay, now I'm gonna go back. So what I'll do is actually just kind of like wipe off the excess on my arm. Whoop-de-doo. If you forget that stuff, it's fine, totally fine. And I'm gonna go into Indigo, which is my darkest shade. This is a real tricky shade. It's super dark and a lot of people are scared of it. I was scared of it too. But it blends out beautifully. Remember, a contour is supposed to appear like a shadow. It's not supposed to stay a line, even though that's how I apply it. If you notice, I like to use the small end because it really lets me apply precisely to the areas that I want to get to. And then I'll use the bigger end of my detail hack brush to blend out. So I'll just push this into my skin, and soon you guys are going to see how nice this melts. And then it just accentuates that cheekbone, brings out your cheekbones, and just slims down your face. Oh, I love contouring. I will never go without it. So again, if you guys are watching the replay, just give me a 2. If you're watching live, give me a 1. I want to know you're here. And tell me what you think. And then what I'll do with my contour on my chin is I blend it down. Don't ever want to forget. I have been guilty of this. I've looked at a picture of myself and I'm like, oh my gosh, I have a spot of like contour right there. So just push, start from here and pull. Push or pull, what am I trying to say? Pull down, pull down, pull down, pull down, pull down. Make sure we don't leave any lines there. And then what I'll do is start by going this way with my contour on my forehead. And then it's so easy if you just pull it up into your hairline. And you guys can see instantly I'm way more sculpted. So I am obsessed with this makeup. Like, just obsessed with it. I feel like it just does what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to make you feel pretty. It's quick, it's easy, it's in one compact. You know, it covers the things that you want it to cover. And it's buildable, so you can customize your coverage. So you don't have to buy separate bottles of full coverage foundation, light coverage foundation, all that. It's all in one. So if you want more, build it up. If you want less, use less. So it's really nice. They come in little tins, $14 a tin to refill. These compacts are amazing. Everything just fits so nicely. So now that I'm nice and blended, I will go ahead and set my under eyes. I'll use my Vanilla Dust powder, my setting powder, with my Power Powder brush. It's on an angle. It's all of our brushes are meant to fit into those little areas. So our Power Powder is made for setting powder. And this angled side just fits so nicely right into that, those curves of your nose, where your nose meets your eye and underneath and such. So it's so nice. I love these brushes. They're synthetic hairs. So we are cruelty-free. We are gluten-free, paraben-free, non-toxic, oil-free. We don't clog pores. All the goodness, organic, natural, everything. It's good for your skin. You won't break out from this. So that's my story, sticking to it. And then I'm going to just kind of set right down there. I also do that just so that way it kind of defines that contour a little bit. And you guys can see just how glowy my skin looks. I mean, I haven't even done the illuminator yet. I mean, this is the real deal. Real deal, my friends. All right, so I'm gonna go in with our Bella bronzer. I'm gonna just kind of add some color to my face, if you don't mind. So our Bella bronzer is the first ever cream bronzer, and it's so awesome. I have never used a cream bronzer in my life until now, and I love it. So where I like to put my bronzer is kind of on my forehead, on my temples, right above my contour area on my cheeks. You can do it a little on your chin, a little on your nose. Just get it where the sun's gonna hit you. That's the difference between your contour and your bronzer. So I will use the fat side of my B² brush. This is our blush and bronzer brush, tongue twister. This is our, I can't even say it. This is our B² brush, just leave it at that. So what I did was I used my blush side to apply the bronzer, and I will buff it out with my big bronzer side. So I'm just gonna buff, buff, buff. Let the brush do the work for me. And again, your bronzer is supposed to be warm, your contour is supposed to be cool. So there's a difference between the shadow on your face, which is your contour, and the warmth of your bronzer, which is supposed to look like the sun did that for you. So if you do it just right on the high points and on the temples of your forehead, like on the basically all on the outside, you just look like so sun-kissed. I just love the way, I just love that kind of placement, but it's up to you. You can put it all over, you can do whatever you want with it. So now I'm done with that. I'm really quickly just gonna go ahead and fill in with my shadow. It's just kind of to accentuate my beauty marks. You could use this to fill in your eyebrows as well. Just kind of do that. I like to bring out my beauty marks a little bit. And then I'm gonna go in with one of my blushes. So today I'm feeling kind of pink and pretty. I think I might go for it. I might just go for it with Dahlia, as a matter of fact. So this is really bright, but it looks really nice on the skin. I recommend this for actually a lot of skin tones because I have a lighter skin tone and I can use it. And I recommend this for really dark skin tones, like really dark skin tones. Like we're talking dark, 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 because it'll show right up. So just, it depends on how much you apply. But what I like to do with my blush is not just focus on the center of my cheeks. Actually, I try to stay away from the inside of my cheeks. And I just sort of go up to my temple, right above that contour. And so I'll just poke this in. If you really want a sun-kissed glow, you can put it a little on your nose, make it look like a little sunburn. It's up to you. And then I'll just sort of buff that in. So now that we are almost done, I'm gonna do my illuminator. So what I love is a glowy, glowy look. So I am Get Glowing with Megan. That is what I go by on Instagram and my beauty page on Facebook. So I love to glow. And then I will use the other side of my Power Powder brush and I will just tap that on. I'm personally using rose gold and petal as a mixture. I just think it's so beautiful. And then I'll kind of carry it up to my temple a little bit. I'll put just a tad bit on the tip of my nose. If you don't like your nose, you don't have to accentuate it by doing illuminator. Skip that step. Put it on your Cupid's bow, a little on your chin, and you're good to go. And then you just have that illuminated, very candlelit glow, soft illuminated effect. And then I'll go in with a little lip gloss. You can also use our lip and cheeks, but today I just want to use gloss. I love NYX. NYX Butter Gloss is like where it's at. It's so cheap and I just love it. And that's it. So my face is done. Don't forget to spray your face at the end with our Stay Spray. It's got SPF 30. If you choose the Stay Outside spray, I should actually correct that. We have a Stay Spray and a Stay Outside spray. I prefer the Stay Outside spray. Drench your face in it, waft it, let it soak in, and you're good to go. This is going to keep your makeup on all day. So thanks you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments, and I will check back every hour or so and try to help you guys. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys have a good Sunday, and I'll talk to you soon. If I can just finish.